Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a product that's been heavily advertised online lately called the Qinux Bladeon. You may have seen ads claiming it can sharpen almost any knife in just a few seconds with professional level results, all from the comfort of your home. The website presents Chinux Bladeon as a high-precision, rotating knife sharpener that uses diamond discs to restore the original edge of your blades. It's marketed as compact, smartly designed, and suitable for anyone, even if you've never sharpened a knife before. On top of that, the site is pushing a 50% discount with phrases like "last opportunity" and "last days to get this great offer," which definitely creates a sense of urgency. Before we continue, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. Now let's talk realistically about what Chinux Bladeon offers. The concept itself isn't completely new. Diamond-coated sharpening surfaces are commonly used in knife sharpening because they can be effective for light sharpening and routine maintenance. For everyday kitchen knives that are slightly dull, a tool like this can help improve sharpness without requiring much skill. The rotating design also sounds convenient, especially for people who don't want to deal with whetstones or complicated sharpening angles. However, when you look beyond the ads, some concerns start to appear. One of the biggest red flags is the reviews. Most of the extremely positive feedback is displayed directly on the official website. When you search for independent reviews on neutral platforms, there are very few detailed user experiences available. This makes it difficult to verify how well the product actually performs in real kitchens, outside of marketing content. Another issue is the way the product is advertised. The marketing creates very high expectations, suggesting instant and dramatic results. In reality, knife sharpening depends on several factors, including the type of steel, the quality of the knife, and how worn or damaged the blade is. While Chinux Bladeon may help with basic maintenance, it may not deliver the same results shown in promotional videos for every knife or user. There are also limitations that aren't clearly emphasized in the ads. This sharpener may not work well on severely damaged knives, chipped blades, or high-end specialty knives that require careful professional sharpening. Despite being promoted as a complete solution, it's more accurate to see it as a maintenance tool rather than a replacement for traditional whetstones or professional services. Another red flag worth mentioning is branding confusion. The same product appears to be sold under different names, such as Chinuk Bladeon, Chinux Bladeon, and Kenox Bladeon. This can confuse buyers and makes it harder to identify the original manufacturer. This practice is often seen with dropship-style products, where identical items are rebranded and sold through multiple websites. The sales tactics also deserve attention. Many ads strongly encourage buyers to purchase only through the official website, limiting price comparison and alternative options. The heavy use of discounts and limited-time offers can pressure people into making quick decisions without fully researching the product or reading external reviews. Finally, return and refund experiences can vary. Some customers may have no issues, while others report delays or complications. This is why it's important to carefully read the refund policy, guarantee terms, and fine print before placing an order. So, is Chinux Bladeon legit or a scam? It doesn't appear to be an outright scam, but the marketing is clearly exaggerated. The product may be useful for basic knife maintenance, but it's not the miracle sharpener it's made to be. If you're thinking about buying it, set realistic expectations, compare it with other sharpeners, and make sure you understand the policies before spending your money.